insignificant creatures against almighty nature, even though we always try to push this limit further by exploiting nature. And the result is we are dynamically thrown backwards. Nature has shown us our place too in calamitous outbreak of novel coronavirus, which was an unpredicted situation around the world. But what if humankind, with assistance of nature, tries to solve out their problem? Hi guys, I am Ayush Kataria, class 7 student, has devised an idea called Spuncity, which incorporate benefits for humankind and nature. As we saw in the month of July and August, states like Assam and Bihar were etching with the floods. Floods like calamity are very devastating as many people has misland from their houses, many people are left behind by their lovely ones, lots of damage to the property along with the soil erosion, landslide and collapsing of bridges and building. Solution to this problem can possibly be the sponge city. Ideologically, sponge city is a city which soaks excess water and can be repossessed water when squeezed. Conceptualization of spongicity comprises of water permeable pathways known as thirsty concrete, internal water storage system, landmark side water storage system, and a natural water reservoir, along with the establishment of stable ecosystem comprises of biotic and abiotic components. This concept is set in a such a way that it benefits both nature as well as humankind. Starting with the concept of thirsty concrete. It is a slab of concrete beneath which internal water storage system is constructed. Thirsty concrete even reduces noise coming from a tire of a vehicle and even reduces chances of skidding of vehicle in rainy season. As it absorbs water, it also reduces the temperature of a surrounding by evaporation of water. Now, coming towards the internal water storage system. It is a system devised to collect water and pass it on towards the large reservoir or towards local usage. One fundamental unit of internal water storage system is connected to another unit via a small circular window. Water collected in the storage system is channeled into large man-made reservoir. Reservoir can be constructed in a form of natural lake along with the diversified flora and fauna. Reservoir can be benefit in two ways. First, water from it will be useful in summer season when scarcity happens. Second, reservoir can be generated as a revenue source if constructed in a landmark style along with the plants that are elegant and endure in dry and wet soil. Fishes like gambusia, pond loach, and gomblocks can be raised in the lake which consume all organic matter and microbes present in the water. Koi, guppies, and golden orphan fish can even eat mosquitoes, larvae, and bacteria too. In this way, establishment of stable ecosystem around the lake reservoir can be visualized. In practical life, concept of thirsty concrete can be applicable at parking lot, footpath road, slab at the playground as they prevent slippage of water. Hence, reduction in the groundwater level has been spotted. I think so. Constructing the concept of sponge city around the flood prone area would drastically reduce the risk of flood. Now, I would like to show gratitude towards you for meticulously attempt my conceptualization regarding the spongity. Procedure to make thirsty concrete. Material required are pebbles, water, small pieces of gravel, cement, and an empty container along with the screwdriver. Step 1. Take some pebbles. Step 2. Add tiny pieces of gravel to the stones. Step 3. Take cement in adequate amount. Step 4. Add water in ample amount. Then mix it through screwdriver. After mixing it thoroughly, it will look like this. See the consistency of a concrete on the gloves. Now transfer the mixture in an empty container. After settling it to the empty container, it will look like this. Now keep it aside for 5 to 6 hours. After 5 to 6 hours, your thirsty concrete slab is prepared. Now your thirsty concrete is ready to absorb water.